Hi there, this is Zoe from Pack-Based Air Packaging. Today I will help you to get a customized air column bag. We have several standard designs: Q bag with cap, L bag with lid, U bag, and corner protector. We can also provide complex designs such as 6-in-1 bag, bag with hang, and ring sleeve with no folding. If you haven't used alcohol bags before, all we need to know is the size of your product, the length, width, and height of your product. Then we can design and make samples according to your dimensions. Once the sample confirmed, we can move on to bulk order. If you are using alcohol bags already, that's even easier. Just share with us the flat size of the bag. I mean the size before inflation. Then we'll make samples for you. We can do other customized services as well, like different thickness and logo printing. We now have 100, 120, 150, 200 micron film thickness. Logo printing is also available. If you want to protect your products with customized alcohol bag, now please follow and contact us for more information.